This is our little guy right here. This is Tommy the squirrel. He's about 2 to 3 weeks old. We found him on the side of the driveway. He had a bunch of fly larvae and different kinds of bugs on him and stuff. So we brought him in, gave him a nice little bath, Dawn dish soap, and got a toothbrush and combed out all the laid eggs that were in his hair and fur. We got to give him a bath first.
He's sleeping. We're going to try to feed him with the
But the flies lay a bunch of eggs on him, and the flies are going to start eating him.
See how he likes it.
See all those little white things? Those are fly eggs, and they're going to turn into maggots, and then they're going to eat him.
I got to use my thumb to hold his head up. Let him get a little taste of it, and then he'll say, okay, I want some more. Come on, buddy. There he goes. There he goes. He tasted it now, so then he'll drink it now. Just using this little syringe. It holds 5 milliliters. He's been drinking about 2.5. Just slowly squeezing it. Not to go too fast. If you go too fast, they'll cough it up and it'll come through their nostrils. That could cause infections in their respiratory system. Just go nice and slow. My estimation, he's 2 to 3 weeks old. It's okay, buddy. I'll be over there with you in a second. The past couple times I fed him, he's drank 2.5 milliliters. And he's done. Right at 2.5 again. And then the next thing we want to do, of course, is every time we feed him, we need to make sure that he goes pee-pee. So I try to hold him like this, spread his legs, and then we're just going to rub his wee-wee right here, and that'll stimulate the pee. He got it on his leg there and running down right here. His claws are stuck, but we need to get him to go pee-pee, so we're just going to keep rubbing. His skin feels kind of cold right now, so we will be getting him wrapped up nice and warm after this. There, that way seems to be working better. Kind of pulling down and tugging that way. I don't know if y'all have seen that.
Oh, so cute, little buddy. You got pee-pee again? Is that going pee-pee again?
He going pee-pee on me.
What again?
Yep, every time they eat, they gotta go pee-pee.
Dad, want to hold him? Want to hold him?
He's getting dried off now. I think he finished.
Want to hold him, Dad?
In a little bit. Daddy's trying. But that's that. He went a little bit. I'm happy with that. And we will put him back in his little nest and feed him again in another 3 hours.